Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you the ways to backup messages in your Viber account. In order to backup messages in Viber, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and open up your Viber application first thing first. When you open up your Viber application, this is how it's going to look like. Here, press the gear icon or the more tab at the bottom of the page and go to settings. When you go to settings, go to account under it and you could see Viber. When you actually go to Viber backup, underneath you could find how you want to actually go ahead and backup. So make sure to include photos and videos as well, and if you want to go ahead and select the account, do that as well by tapping on or selecting the account. Once you've actually done it, so click the backup now button at the bottom of the page, and this is going to back up your messages and all of the medias that's stored in your Viber. So that's how you could do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.